You woke me up at 4 o'clock in the morning to get some pancakes, and I wasn't having any of that, so I made you sleep until 10. Look at the goose. And then you made us drive for 5 hours to get those pancakes.
Alright, it wasn't 5 hours. Let's be realistic here now.
Alright, 3.5.
It was about an hour.
Hour and a half.
Where'd that goose go? There he is. Oh, we were gonna get wet.
Apparently.
Here's the mill.
Electronics and the weather don't.
Mabry Mill here.
Okay, I'm going. Bye.
Here's the old whiskey still. Gonna make some whiskey. This is the place to do it. If you want to get around some prohibition. What do you think, honey?
I'm reading. I'm going to start my own business.
Oh yeah? What are you gonna call your business?
Whiskey Stills and Nash.
I don't get it.
It's not funny to you because you don't know the band.
I think I've heard of them. I don't listen to music. It's bad for you. That we just ate at and had delicious treats. Pancakes.
Treats?
There's the restaurant right there. Honey, tell me about those pancakes you had today and the food at Mabry Mill. How was that?
I always order too much food. I only ate one pancake and...
You pancaked out on me. You flapjacked.
I did.
But how did the pancake taste that you did eat? The most phenomenal... Was it the most phenomenal pancake you've ever had?
No,
Describe how it tasted.
It tasted like a pancake, but I make the most phenomenal pancakes I've ever tasted.
So, what do you think about the trail so far?
It's traily.
Yeah? Get some shots of it here. We're in a nice little thicket, if you will, right now. Out in the middle of nowhere with nature.